Hi friends, today it is 23rd March and then the time is 9:15. What to say? Market respected all our numbers again today. Uh, we actually rocked based on an indicator. We are able to capture the entire fall of Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. Nifty we covered a little bit earlier because of the indicator, but Bank Nifty was bang on till the end, and we are able to capture the entire move from the top to bottom. And let's go to the PPT, and from there we will take it on. Okay, so this is yesterday's observation. Uh, Clearly mentioned 23rd is the important astrological event. So first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. If it breaks the high of 21st March tomorrow, that is today, then you will see a big side run on the upside. And if it breaks today's, that is 21st March low, then you will see a big downside. That's what the trend is. But now it opened gap up, but not able to sustain even for a minute. And it closed well below our weekly game changer numbers today. Okay, weekly game changers numbers today. So the first only one line, this enough to trade this market. First 15 minutes high and low. And I've already given to my subscribers the numbers to watch at 9:07 to my WhatsApp subscribers. If you go and see, just a minute. This is the number which they need to watch out, which is 17,415 above long, 17,381 it is short. So we are able to sell here, and we are able to capture the entire fall. And I was, the bottom, we are, it came very near to our bottom, which is our intraday number, which is 17,215 on Nifty future. It came down to 17,218. From there, it bounced back and then it closed to below. Anyway, so we are able to again rock, and the stocks which we discussed yesterday was UPL was rocking, and HDFC had a major trend change date today, and it literally went down badly. Whirlpool was more or less okay, and by mistake I mentioned the trend change date, the combination trend change date of Ashok Leyland was today, but it is not today, it is tomorrow. So kindly watch Ashok Leyland for tomorrow, right? And UPL did well. Aarti and Wipro was laggard, but I've already told you two days back that I'm long in UPL, and today it did very well, as well as what to say, I forgot the counter. Pfizer, it went up in the morning. It went up by 3% and closed little below. But again, saying something big is cooking in pharma, and pharma was doing well today. Dr. Reddy went up by 3%, which was my peak actually. So something big is happening in pharma counters. Watch out this. And numbers, I will straight away go to the numbers, and then we will see the chart. Okay. So first we'll go to the chart. Right. Okay. Before going to the chart, I just want to explain you one thing. See, I've already told many times that market remembers the past. Okay. So we made a bottom, the phenomenal bottom on 24th March 2020. So tomorrow is 24th March 2022, and market remembers that date. So it will be a one side big move tomorrow, I'm expecting, but it is weekly expiry. I don't know what big guys are planning, but our logic is very, very simple. First 30 minutes high and low on expiry day works like magic. So for tomorrow, 30 minutes high and low on weekly expiry. You can use this on any expiry, any weekly expiry and monthly expiry. First 30 minutes high and low. If they keep the indices within that first 30 minutes high and low, it means they are going to eat the premium. Then don't worry, I will give you the timing in the end to which time we need to focus, so that we can rock. And again, this was 24th March 2020, and tomorrow is 24th March 2022. And if you go and see here, this is on 23rd March 2021, and next day it was a gap down. Market remembers this, believe me, market remembers this. And 2 days it was a good fall. Let's see whether we are going to have a good fall tomorrow, or it is going to go up. And one more thing which I was very happy to see is I already told you 21 is the best, which is the game changer date. This is 21st, March high and low, and today is the Astro event. So I mark the high of today and the low of 21st. So if it breaks the high of 23rd today, it's going to be a one side rally. If it breaks 21st to low, it's going to be a downside rally. So watch this. Mark the high and low of 21st and 23rd. You can take the 23rd high and 21st low. Within this, it will lead our brain. So it has to break one side tomorrow, this side or this side, or any day, any coming days, it has to break. And when is the next mega date? It is 28th of March. We will see what is going to happen on 28th of March. So as of now, for tomorrow, it should not break 21st low. If it breaks 21st low, bare minimum 250 points on the downside, which I already mentioned 2 days before on 20 and 22nd. So if it breaks 2 days high, easily 250 points on the upside. So watch this date high and low. It's very, very crucial. Okay, so now coming to this, I've already explained. And today, weekly number worked like magic. This was the high of weekly number, not able to sustain even that first 15 minutes, and then it fell very badly. And this was the number which I gave in the morning at 9:07 to my followers. Above 17,415 buy, below 17,381 sell. Simply market opened here, came down, and it again went and touched and gave opportunity to sell here, and we are able to capture the entire fall based on the indicator. And this number I give in the morning at 9:07 to my subscribers. Okay, and yeah, and if you see, observe this. Morning it was a gap up, and market filled the gap here and came down, and none of the hourly candle closed above the previous candle high. So it was a clear selling from the top from the morning, right? Clear selling. If this is Nifty, and if you go to Bank Nifty, it was a clear sell. None of the 1 hour candle closed above the previous candle high. So it was a clear sell from the morning. All 6 candles are in red, and this was a little bit of green. So if you see this, the trend will be on the downside. And if it breaks 21st March low, which is 35,900, it will be a problem. And my number, you already know that 35,937. Okay, so below 35,937, it is weak, and I am carrying my shorts, which I initiated today. So this is on the chart, and the weekly futures numbers, which are it closed below the weekly bearish number. Not only Nifty, even the Bank Nifty future, everything close to below the weekly game changer number. So it is not bullish according to me. Let it cross above this 17,453, then I will think of going long in market. And this was our today's intraday number, 17,217. It came down all the way to this number, and from there it bounced. It came to 220, missed by 3 points, and from here it was a rally of 100 points. I made a mistake here. But anyway, it is 17,217 only. I cannot change it based on the market. So anyway, we missed this entry, but the timing was rocked in the morning. Exact timing was 9:30, and from there it collapsed, and I gave the intermediate timing also. It is 11:50 to 11:55. Watch this 5 minutes candle. If you want to see that, I will show you 11:50 to 11:55 candle. Okay, 11:50 to 11:55 candle. Yeah, this is the 11:50 to 11:55 candle. This was a small candle. This was a small candle. This is the candle, 11:50 to 11:55 candle, and after that, it was a big fall. See how the timing works. And I give this timing at 11:36. I said, watch this timing, it will rock. And Whirlpool was doing very well today. And again, the Ichimoku timing, 2 p.m. to 2:10, it worked very well. And from there, market went up. If you take 2:10, yeah, this is the 2 p.m. candle. From here, market went up, but closing again, it came and closed exactly at the 2 p.m. low. See how market respect all this. Okay, exactly at 2 p.m. low, and I gave this timing at 12:45. The timing I gave, this timing I gave at 12:45. Watch the candle of 2 p.m. to 2:10 p.m. based on Ichimoku timing. Okay, and exact from here, this was the 2 p.m. candle, and from there it was a good rally on the upside, but again came down, closed exactly at the 2 p.m. candle. See the beauty of it, right? Okay, so that's how market behaves, right? So this is one counter which I'm keeping an eye on. Watch this counter. Something is going to cooking. No, something is going to cook. I've already made the video for my subscribers. We will take a position in this counter if it breaks, today's high, because there is a 2 combination date, and it is not in F&O. It was an investment call with a stop loss of 14 rupees. We will initiate the call tomorrow once it gives buy on 1 hour basis. The target is good because it was, maybe I'll talk about this in a graph. Okay, so and today morning I clearly said in Nifty future that this blue color line, which is 39,859, will be the decider, and that was the bang on high today. Why I said? Because that was my indicator top on daily, and exactly it went and touched that number 36,859. That was the high today, and from there it fell, right? So, and if you go to Bank Nifty today, the sell came on 1 minute because the first 1 minute 15 minutes high is not broken. The sell came here, went and touched my blue again, came down, went and touched my blue again went and touched my blue again, full fall, and it gave a buy here. It was a fake buy because the next candle has to close above this candle, so it was a fake buy. So the sell continues, again came down, again one more buy. This is again a fake buy, so we are able to catch the entire bottom. See, my guru always says that you should know when not to trade rather than when to trade. Okay, so this is where you should not trade. You should not jump and buy. This is where the people get trapped, and my indicator will catch the exact trap. Okay, so we need to keep cool, even if from this down, if it goes up also, only if the genuine candle comes. Okay, the next candle has to close below the buy above the buy initiation candle, then only it is a genuine buy, otherwise it's a trap. So the clear trap was found, and exactly it closed at the day's low. So we are able to capture the entire fall in Bank Nifty, and Nifty, it was in the middle, maybe around closing it was a buy. So we are supposed to close our Nifty position here, but our Excel sheet rocked today again. Thanks to market, but it again went up and hit the second target, but our indicator we are able to capture the entire fall from the morning, from here 17,384. we are able to capture the entire stuff. So this indicator will keeps us cool to ride the market. Okay, and it allows us to trade only when I need to trade. That's special about this. Okay, so now coming to ACE. Okay, symmetrical triangle pattern. Leave that pattern for me. Pattern doesn't matter. Okay, so now 14th March. 14th March is the very important date, and today is the very important date. Okay, the 14th March low was 214 and the high was 219.95, and today high was 224 and the low was 218. Break above today's high, you can definitely buy, and once it breaks this trend line on the upper side, it will definitely move up. And this is weekly, and which is this is another very important on a weekly side. Okay, this high and low of this week, 227.85 and 198. So what I'm saying now is you can simply buy above today's high, which is 224, and you can keep a stop loss of 214. The best stop would be 206 to 207. Once it breaks and closes about 225, first level of confirmation, and once it breaks 230, straight it will go and touch this number 250. But I'm expecting something much better in this. I'm expecting roughly around 280 to 290 rupees target. So watch out for this guy. ACE, don't miss it. Okay, again, you can use it the first 15 minutes high and low. And today is the trend change rate. Whenever it breaks above trend change rate, you know how to trade it. I've already now explained you how to do it. And today HDFC was a rocker for us. From the morning, there is no hanky panky here. Rule followed, made money, finished. Okay, this is the first candle. The first candle high is not broken. So first 15 minutes high is not broken. Once 15 minutes low is broken here, and my indicator gave a sell at 2394, and there is no buy candle at all. And when it touched the blue, again it fell. Again it fell badly and closed at the day's low. So we are able to capture the entire 50 points in HDFC. That's a power of trend change rate. Okay. So now let's go to tomorrow, what we are going to do for tomorrow. Mostly I've already discussed everything. Okay. So first 30 minutes high and low for tomorrow, and something cooking in Escorts. Please watch something cooking in Escorts. Maybe I will try to initiate the call, but watch it. And tomorrow, Ashok Leyland McDowell is having a combination TCD, and this guy is having 22nd and 23rd GSPL and DLF. Watch it. Okay. And till Nifty holds this number, which is 17,138, maybe the bulls can survive. Otherwise, it will be a pain for them. And our weekly game changer rocked today, and this one para did everything today. A simple one para, no trend line, no RSI, no MACD, no stochastics, nothing. One liner, 15 minutes high and low on Astro date, finished. Okay. And I've already discussed about this in my video itself. So tomorrow, buy above, sell below, buy above, sell below. An intraday deciding number, I've already given 17,332 and 36,424. Nifty future and Bank Nifty future closed below today's the intraday number. So watch out. Only if it closes above the intraday number, it is bullish. Till that time, it is bearish only. So watch out for tomorrow. 30 minutes high and low. Let's see what we are going to make tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisor before taking any call on any financial instrument. And don't forget to watch 29th on Facebook. The D-Day for Facebook is 29th March. Watch out. See you soon tomorrow. Bye. Good night.